But Mr. President, distinguished colleague, let me just show you a slide, Mr. President, because we want to know the right figures. There was a time when Bagyong Christine, if I'm not mistaken, and some other typhoons hit the country. There were some influential people who made a statement that we don't know what we are talking about with regard to flood control programs of the government. In fact, Mr. President, there is an influential individual who said that there's no billion peso funding for flood control in Bicol. And I'm sure our good Senate President would attest to this. Mr. President, we have done our research and our information is definitely contrary to these claims. May we know, just for the record, Mr. President, I'm sorry we don't have a bigger caption here. There you go. Mr. President, may we ask the Department of Public Works and Highways to verify this claim? How many billions have been allocated to various flood control projects in 2023 and in 2024, Mr. President?
We only have for Region 5.
Yes, Mr. President, just talking about Region 5, Mr. President.
In 2023, there were 421 flood control projects, of which 353 projects were completed. The total that have been spent for the completed ones is 23,597,079,000. And there are the ongoing projects. There is 5,886,500 ongoing projects for 2023. Now, for 2024, completed 47 projects, 2,982,942.
Yes, Mr. President, if I may, I know that the good sponsor is talking about the projects, completed projects.
But there's an ongoing, Mr. President.
Yes. What I'm asking, Mr. President, is because just a couple of weeks ago, some influential people, even some members of the other house, is saying that there's no billions of funds allocated for Bicol region. And so, Mr. President, just to set the record straight, and this is what we wanted to accomplish right now, let me show you, Mr. President, the 2023 budget based on the General Appropriations Act. If we can show the slide, please. In 2023, Mr. President, it was submitted that in Region 5, Mr. President, there is 29.463 billion pesos allocated for the entire region, Mr. President. And I'm looking at and showing in this August chamber the 2023 General Appropriations Act. Now, in 2024, Mr. President, we look at the budget for flood management program, major river basins and principal rivers, convergence and special support program. You have the CPAG, you have the BIP, and the total is amounting to 31.942 billion. I just wanted to find out, Mr. President, if these figures are accurate, Mr. President, based on GAA and the submission given to us by the Department of Public Works and Highways.
You are absolutely correct, Mr. President, for 2024 and for 2023.
Thank you, Mr. President. That's all I'm asking because I wanted to prove a point, Mr. President, that when we make a statement here in the Senate, we double check and we see to it that our figures are correct. And obviously, huge funds for flood control can lead to a false sense of security among our people, our kababayans. Kasi sa laki ng pondo, akala nila maliligtas sila dahil sapat ang proyekto na magpoprotekta sa kanila sa baha. Pero yun nga sa halip na pagtuunan natin ng pansin at kumuha tayo ng solusyon, ang nangyayari po dun sa ilang mga individual, nambabash at nagpapakalat ng false report. So malinaw po na tama po ang mga pondong ito, which means Region 5, the Bicol region, flood control projects for 2023 and 2024 is about 61.4 billion pesos. Now, Mr. President, that the DPWH has verified that there's indeed 61.42 billion allocated for 23 and 2024. May we discuss, Mr. President, the performance of these projects in the light of Typhoon Christine? Bakit po kaya ganun kalala itong pagbaha at ano po yung nakita natin? Because we wanted to find solutions. Ano po yung pwede nating ma-share dito sa bulwagang ito as legislators so we can adjust if we need to adjust and we find out how we could be of help, Mr. President. Thank you.
Mr. President, this is a general response to why the flood control project may not have been as successful as it was intended to be, due to the issues as right-of-way acquisition, coordination with local government units, and technical challenges. Also, there are ongoing construction projects. Many flood control projects take time to complete. The flood control systems are now designed for a 20 to 50-year flood return period, and its measures are designed to withstand wind speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour. Alam naman natin,
Yes.
sa ibang mga lugar, lumalagpas doon. Ngayon, Mr. President, maybe what we can do, Mr. President, because di ba pagka may flood control project, iba-iba eh. Merong sinasabi dredging, yung iba naman naglalagay ng seawall, kung mga ganyan-ganyan. At the proper time, may we ask Senator Villanueva if DPWH can give a detailed description of those projects in Bicol in particular, kasi nga sila yung apektado eh. Kasi baka naman completed pero puro dredging, halimbawa, ay syempre babalik at babalik rin yun.
Yeah. I'm glad that the distinguished sponsor recognized the somehow band-aid solutions that some politicians are trying to implement, and that's the reason why we are so dead serious in looking for the right solutions.